everybody, it's Carla, Pinky Sugar Artsy. Welcome to my channel. This is my craft room, you guys. I'm going to give you guys a little tour. So I've been working on it for about a couple weeks, and my sister gifted me with some amazing furniture, you guys. My sister Liz she's amazing. So I just want to thank her so much for everything she's done for me. Thank you, Liz. I love you. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys what I've done, okay? Thanks. Okay, here we go, you guys. This is the empty room in the house that is now my craft/design room. I'm so thankful for my sister Liz, who gifted me with this amazing furniture. It's art furniture, and I can't be more thankful for it. But I wanted to show you guys, this is where you put like ribbons. I don't have any with the larger hole, except for that one, Christmas one there. But I did end up putting my washies here, which I don't have that many. And then I think I'm going to video here because it's perfect. I've got sunlight. I've got all this storage space. I am in love. Got my coffee dyed papers, Jennifer's papers, and then look at this drawer. Amazing. Look, I haven't even filled it. So I love it. Okay, that's supplies. Here I have ephemera and fussy cutouts and things like that. And then like glues. I don't have any paints here. Those are in the den because we have so much paint. I didn't want to crowd the room with it. That's in another storage cabinet that my husband and I use. So, and then down at the bottom, there's more space for storage. But this furniture, I can't be happier with. So this is the desk. Okay, so let me just show you around. We have a big closet, and I got to work on that. I'm not going to show you. But I just put this painting up because I did have it on the wall. I had to take it down. That is a family friend of my husband's family did that painting. And I do want to put it here somewhere, but it's just, this is more storage. I have to get around to going through, except these are, I've got my seam binding and sari silk. This is all the stuff from Sheila, my Sheila drawers. Yeah, I was supposed to do a show and tell. I just haven't gotten around to it. I feel bad, but I'm so busy. And then this box, you guys, oh, I have some amazing purchases that I have to do show and tell on. Should I give you guys a peek? I don't know. Maybe I should give you guys a peek. Let's see. Oops. Okay, and then this is my tri-level for putting laces when working on a project. Amazing purchases from Ciara and Jennifer and Tara. Yeah. I have them put away very nicely because I don't want to break into them yet. Oh my gosh. Here's more curtains I got to put up, but look at how beautiful these are. Okay, you guys, this hutch. Oh. So let me back up, is absolutely gorgeous. Again, from my sister. Okay. This chair. I love the way I've decorated it. Here I have my doily journal from Marie at Sunshine's Original. I have my antique mother of pearl buttons, just all kinds of doodads, all my little bling pieces, the two little dresses I made. This is my favorite ephemera piece that I made. All my little goodies. Yeah. All right, you guys, you ready? Okay. This is all my laces. Yay. I've been collecting for about a year now, and then a whole bunch for my mom too. And then these I put on some boards. Thank you, Neri. And then I have a bunch of fabrics down here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, all my pinks. I have quite a variety. You know, we can never have enough. But I got to put these all to work. I am super excited with my storage now, and I know where everything is. And it's in a beautiful, I cannot be happier. This little cabinet here, I've had for many, many, many years. And, oh, let me move this. This is where I've been displaying my journals that I've made and purchased. I'm not going to go through all that, but yeah. And then here is this mirror that my son gifted me. It gives me a lot of light and a lot of love. But here's that sewing machine antique singer that I bought for staging purposes, which I haven't done because it's, yeah. Now I have a good space to be able to spread out a little more, but here's a little altered suitcase and my logo. Here is the sewing machine that I bought the other month. It is a Singer, and I love it. Okay, and then here's the other little antique that I purchased for show. So this is my craft room, guys. There's my big shot and just some more little things that I have stored away. I've got a bunch of papers in here. I haven't even brought in all my paper pads because I'm tired. But this is where I will be creating on my desk. There's my laptop. So I'm blessed beyond words. I thank my family for allowing me to be here in this space and have the opportunity and time to dedicate to my craft. And I'm so thankful to my Lord as well for allowing me this opportunity. And then to all of my friends for being there along the way. Love you guys. See you later. Take care. God bless.